Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So today this video here, I'd like to share with you one of the setups that I think as a traders, especially if you are VSA traders, you want to study, in order to avoid, unnecessary losses, So I'm going to share with you these two counters, which is, having a very similar setup. One is Pharma Niaga, which is I'm looking right now. The other is Dpharma. Okay, so what we have here and what is the information we can get. Okay, so again, if we look into study the chart patterns, everything, including the background, of course, this is coming from accumulation, green pentagons, reversal, retest, and successfully breakout. Okay, so it breaking out from the right market stages with green pentagon, with sounds right at the background. And what happened next? Okay, what happened is that we got a buying climax. Okay, so remember for the masterclass students, this is type of the formations that usually, when we see, we want to avoid it, because huge potential, there's a chances that they will make some distributions very soon. Okay, so in the case like pharma, of course, buying climax, and this is considered like a UT for me. It do happens, and subsequently for the next couple of I think 1 month, it seems like supported very well. Okay, no further distributions until here this happens. Okay, now again, like I said, usually this kind of formation, few things will happen, and you would like to see. First of all, immediate distribution, which is the things that is straightforward. We avoid something a bit similar like magpie plus two cards. So that's very simple and straightforward. Now in the case of pharma, it seems like holding well, it still seems like still got chance, right? Then most of the time we want to see a shakeout. So this is to ensures that we the smart money are still interested and keen and try to remove the weekend holder further out for the market. So Pharma Niaga, actually, I kind of got some expectations towards them because they got a very good line change. Even though it's not the highest volume, but they're actually going back to the support. And subsequently, usually when they go back to support, a few things that we want to see. Is there any immediate test at new supports or not? Which is the previous support? At the areas of low of the LC. So this is again to ensure us that the smart money are still keen to holding the price over the particular areas. So if let's say that in the case of Pharma Niaga right now, this morning here, it opens with a gap down, which is the difference between opening and closings there. With high volume, especially currently. Let's look into hourly chart. Now, hourly chart is a gap down definitely, and it's a sell-off. So which tells me that the shakeout is failed. There's no immediate support after the line change over there. So again, this is telling you that you should temporarily avoid, because there is a further weakness in the chart. So let me repeat, because this is important for those that will study VSA. Against these are formations that usually you want to really be careful. You don't like to have sudden climatic movements and volume from the chart. All right, so if let's say this happens, two things. One is immediate distribution, which is pretty straightforward. Like Pascal cars, you should not be touching the counters anymore. And if let's say a hole like this, like pharma, you want to expect a shakeout, a good shakeout. Like for example, if you look those counters that got big UT like Straits Inter, I believe like counter like Tsinghua, they're having that too. They will do a shakeout. A clean, clear shakeout. That to tell us that they are still interested to hold the support, retest the resistance. Now let's go to the next one, Dpharma, which is pretty similar. But Dpharma, it didn't really go back to the areas. So for example, this area here supports. And the line change come with low volume, so that's why it's not so convincing. Yesterday. So again, if you are interested for Dpharma and Pharma Niaga, I think Pharma Niaga come with high volume, which is pretty dangerous. So probably Dpharma, even though its shakeout is not completed yet, but volume remains to be low on this morning on down bar. So maybe you want to continue to monitor further. So what I do is that I will continue to pop my alerts over here, just to look for a successful shakeout. Okay, a clean shakeout. Okay, like for example, I think previously we have one over here. Okay, so just look for the similarities. Okay, it's kind of easy to spot. Okay, here, shakeout goes back, retest, low volumes, breakout. Okay, back with the green pentagons. Okay, so here green pentagons, but seems like it doesn't come with high volume. Again, a good quality green pentagon usually will come with volume above 2040. In this case, Pharma still haven't showed that yet. Okay, but it's not that weak compared to Pharma. Okay, so continue to monitor. Who know, the volume will appear soon. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video here, if you think my channel here brings value to you, please help me to click the like buttons and subscribe to this channel.